Hey, Frank. Hey, how's your morning going?
Hey, Kelly. It's going good. Really good, actually. You know those mornings when you wake up and suddenly remember something beautiful, something warm, something that makes you smile?
Yeah, I know that feeling. Did something nice happen?
Mm-hmm. I was just thinking about this little moment in my life. Something simple, but special. I remembered buying something from a street vendor in a busy market last summer, and I don't know, it made my heart feel warm today.
Aw, that sounds sweet. I love moments like that. The small moments that somehow stay in your heart forever.
Exactly. And I thought, hey, this is a perfect topic for our English learners. Because buying something from a street vendor, it's simple, it's real, it's something almost everyone experiences.
True. Whether you're in America, India, Pakistan, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand, we all have markets. We all have vendors. We all have those moments when we're standing there, holding something in our hands, deciding if we should buy it or not.
Yes, and sometimes the vendor talks fast, or the market is loud, or you feel shy, or nervous, or excited.
Okay, I love this already. Let's dive into it. So, Frank, tell me more about this morning memory. Where were you? What happened?
Okay, so picture this. A warm summer day. The sun is shining, people are laughing, kids are running, and there's this busy market. Colorful, loud, beautiful.
I can see it. I can almost hear it. Street markets always have that special energy.
Yes, and in the middle of all that noise, there was a tiny street vendor. An older woman, maybe in her 60s. She was selling handmade bracelets.
Oh, that already sounds cute.
And she looked at me with the warmest smile. Not a sales smile, a real one, a human one.
Sometimes strangers can touch your heart more than you expect.
Exactly. And that moment stayed with me. That's why I was thinking about this topic today.
You know, I actually had a similar moment once.
Really? Tell me.
I was in New York City, in Manhattan. There's this famous street called 14th Street, always busy, always loud. And there was this guy selling hot dogs from a cart.
The classic New York hot dog man.
Yes, exactly that guy. He looked tired, sweaty, stressed. Just another long day for him.
I can imagine.
So I walked up and said, "Hey, how's your day going?" Just a simple question. And he froze, like nobody had asked him that all day.
That's kind of sad, but also sweet.
Yeah. And he suddenly opened up. He told me about his daughter, her school, his long hours at work, and how he tries his best every day.
Wow. All that from just buying a hot dog?
Yep. A simple street vendor, a simple conversation, but it felt human, real. It stayed with me. 3. Slowly moving into beginner-friendly, practical English.
You know, markets can be scary for English learners. The sounds, the speed, the prices, the accents.
$3.95. No, $5. Special price for you.
Yes, it can be confusing.
So let's help them. Let's teach simple, easy English for buying something in a market.
Great idea. Okay, let's start with the basics.
4. Simple English phrases learned naturally in conversation. When you walk up to a vendor, you can say, "Hi, how much is this?" Or, "Hello, what's the price?" Very easy.
And if it's noisy, you can speak slow and say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, I don't understand. Can you say it again?
Yes, vendors are used to tourists and beginners. They will repeat.
And if you want to ask for a better price, you can say, can you make it a little cheaper? Or, do you have a discount?
Or the classic, best price?
Yes, everyone in the world understands best price.
Hashtag 5. Frank's full story. Emotional, real, beginner friendly.
So let me tell you what happened with that bracelet vendor. It was so simple, but so emotional.
I'm listening.
I walked up to her table. The bracelets were beautiful. Small beads, soft colors, handmade with love.
I can imagine them.
She looked at me and said, "Hello, dear. You want one?" Her voice was soft, kind.
That already warms my heart.
I picked one up and asked, "How much is this?" She said, $5. But for you, 4.
Aw, she liked you.
Maybe. Or maybe she just wanted to make me smile.
That's even better.
So I bought it. And when she put it in my hand, she touched my wrist gently and said, "This brings good luck."
Wow.
And I don't know why, but it made me emotional. I felt connected. Just for a moment. Two strangers. Different ages. Different lives. But sharing kindness.
It's beautiful how small moments can touch us like that.
Yes. That's why street vendors feel special. They're not big stores. They're people. Real people.
Okay, my turn. Let me tell you a funny one.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
So, I was at a farmer's market and I saw strawberries. Big, shiny, perfect strawberries.
Already sounds dangerous.
I asked the vendor, how much for one box? He said, $5. And I said, too expensive.
Kelly, you always do this.
I know. But then he looked at me like, bro, do you know how hard I work?
Oh, no.
He said, look at my hands. Do these look like cheap strawberries?
Stop. Stop.
So I bought them because he was right. Those were hard-working strawberries.
You're unbelievable.
You know, we forget something important. Street vendors work so hard.
Yes.
Long hours, hot sun, cold wind, small profit, but big hearts.
Exactly. Sometimes they remember your face. Sometimes they give you a small discount. Sometimes they smile just to make your day better.
And sometimes they carry stories we never hear.
Yes. Every vendor has a life, a family, a dream, a struggle.
That's why simple English phrases matter. We're not just buying something, we're connecting.
Okay, let's pretend I'm the vendor. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, would you like to buy something?
Yes. How much is this?
This is $5.
Can you make it a little cheaper?
Okay, $4 for you.
Great, I'll take it.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
See? Easy, friendly, real.
Super simple.
Buying something from a street vendor isn't just about buying. It's about meeting people, sharing a smile, and connecting through simple English.
Yeah, and even if your English isn't perfect, it's okay. Vendors don't need perfect English. They just need kindness and clear, simple words.
Exactly. A smile helps too.
Always, a smile is universal.
So, next time anyone watching this goes to a market, don't be shy. Don't be scared. Take a deep breath, walk up, smile, and say, "Hi, how much is this?"
You never know. Maybe a small bracelet or a simple hot dog will become a memory you keep forever.
Beautifully said, Kelly.
Thanks, Frank.
See you next time.
See ya.